In the wild, where survival is the ultimate challenge, some fathers rise above the rest, showing us that love and dedication aren't just human traits. Whether you're breaking out of a crocodile egg or bursting from a seahorse's belly, many newborn animals need a strong father figure. Shakespeare once said, "It is a wise father that knows his own child." In a world where some animal parents are liable to make a snack of their offspring, males of species ranging from flamingos to the Rhea birds to penguins go the extra mile, and then some more, to ensure the young ones stay safe. These dependable animal dads protect, nurture, and even carry fertilized eggs in their own stomach. As we celebrate all the dads and father figures in our own lives this Father's Day, let's give some well-deserved due to several of the best animal dads. Join us here at the World Zoo as we count down to the 5 most amazing dads in the animal kingdom. Number 5. When you think of flamingos, you probably picture their stunning pink plumage and elegant stance. But did you know these birds are also some of the best dads in the animal kingdom? Chilean flamingos, found in the salt flats of western South America, are not just about looks. These birds remain monogamous, mating with one special gal for life. Flamingo dads are also feminists and champions of gender equality, which is rare in the animal kingdom. Right from selecting a nest site to building it, male flamingos work side by side with their partners. Once the female lays her egg, dad takes his fair share of incubating duties. Not only do they take turns, ensuring the egg is kept warm and safe, the flamingo dad also constructs a higher and higher nest mound as a way of keeping the egg safe of flash floods. Once the egg hatches, things gets really interesting. Flamingo dads help produce a special food called crop milk, a nutrient-rich secretion from their throat. A huge volume of crop milk is required to raise a chick over a short period of time. This production of the crop milk drains the parent flamingo of its color, turning him to almost white by the end of the nesting period. The flamingo dads also take up the role of teaching his chick to listen closely and learn each other's voice. This is very important, as within 10 days of a flamingo chick hatching, its parents will fly off to find food. When the parents return, babies and parents seek out each other among the flock through recognizing each other's voices. These elegant birds prove that beauty, brains, and outstanding parenting can all go hand in hand. Number 4. Meet the red fox, one of nature's most dedicated dads. After the kids are born, the red fox dad takes on the crucial role of provider. He tirelessly hunts and brings back food to the den, every 4 to 6 hours, ensuring that his mate and the young are well fed and cared for. But providing food isn't his only job. Red fox dads are also playful and nurturing. Red foxes are one of the canines which exhibit much excitement about their pups, playing with them endlessly. Red foxes are also fiercely protective. The father stands guard, watching over the den to ensure no harm comes to his family. His vigilance is crucial during the early weeks when the kids are most vulnerable. But, after 3 months, tough love begins. It's time for life's first harsh lessons, no more free meals. Fox fathers don't just leave the young hungry, however, they help teach survival skills. They bury surplus food close to the den and disguise it with leaves and twigs. This hands-on parenting style ensures the young foxes grow up with the skills they need to survive. Number 3. Meet the Rhea, South America's towering, flightless bird with a parenting style that could make any dad proud. The largest bird in South America, they stand between 3–5 feet tall, with males being larger than females. They have longer wings than most flightless birds, which they use for balance and changing direction when running. A polygamous bird that keeps a harem of up to a dozen females doesn't seem like he'd be in the running to win Father of the Year award. But what the Rhea lacks in monogamy, he makes up for with paternal dedication and truly shine when it comes to parenting. Here's the kicker: it's the male Rhea who does all the incubating. After attracting his mates and having them lay their eggs in his nest, this devoted dad will sit on the nest, keeping up to 50 eggs warm and safe for about 6 weeks. These players are akin to the types of dads who embarrass you by threatening your boyfriend, but who, in keeping the bad guys away, win your silent appreciation and eternal gratitude. But his duties don't end there. Once the eggs hatch, the male Rhea takes on the monumental task of protecting and raising up to 50 chicks. He's on constant alert, chasing away any potential threats, from predators to even other females. His fierce protection and nurturing care ensure that his offspring have the best chance to survive and thrive. And unlike many fathers in the animal kingdom, This Rhea dad will look after his young for their first 6 months of life, single-handedly. So, while the Rhea might not win Father of the Year for monogamy, he certainly earns a top spot for dedication and protection. A true champion in the world of animal dads. Number 2. When it comes to extraordinary fathers, seahorses are truly unique. Unlike most animals, it's the male seahorse that takes on the incredible role of pregnancy and childbirth. The journey begins with an elaborate courtship dance between the male and female. After hours of synchronized movements, the female deposits her eggs into the male's special brood pouch. The male seahorse then carries the eggs in his pouch, providing oxygen and a safe environment for them to develop. He even regulates the salinity and temperature of the pouch to ensure the best conditions for the embryos. While the seahorse dads might not be involved in their offspring's life after birth, their role during pregnancy is nothing short of remarkable. Number 1. Emperor penguins takes the crown for the best dad in the animal kingdom. When it comes to dedicated dads, emperor penguins are truly in a league of their own. Every year, during the brutal Antarctic winter, female emperor penguins lay their eggs in May. But it's the male who takes on the incredible responsibility of keeping the egg warm. He carefully balances the egg on top of his feet, tucking it under a special brood pouch. For the next 64 days, these devoted dads huddle together for warmth, enduring freezing temperatures and fierce winds, all while fasting. Around the time the eggs are ready to hatch, the females return with bellies full of food. But, if the eggs hatch before the females return, the dad makes yet another sacrifice. The dad produces crop milk to feed its chick. Once the females arrive, they take over feeding the newly hatched chicks, allowing the males to finally go to the ocean for their first meal in over 100 days. This incredible resilience and sacrifice makes emperor penguins carry the crown of the best dads in the animal kingdom. If you loved this video, please remember to like and subscribe.